Steenbras, it's a beautiful nature reserve. The mountains, the rainbows, and the sea.
Harmony Flats Nature Reserve. This place is special because of the alluvium fynbos. It's a renosterveld. It's also part of fynbos. It doesn't look like that birds will come and visit Harmony Flats, but you will be amazed when you see that there's so much birds.
Because I've been in like 2 learnerships, my life really changed a lot. I am very proud because I am the first female field ranger here at Steenbras ever. So I feel really proud of myself that I managed to make it like this far.
The learnership changed my life very much because all of the experience that I have today is because of the learnership. It helped me to get a permanent job. They gave me this opportunity and I took it open-handed, and I'm still studying hard to go where I want to be. I see myself as a manager or higher than a manager one day.
The learnership, it was very important because some of the stuff that we did through learnership, they really helped me when I got interviewed for the post that I have now.
For me, it feels like when I'm employed, it feels really good. I'm really glad that I'm doing nature conservation, also give back to the community, doing environmental education with our future generation where we can change their mind.
To conserve what we have so that my grandchildren one day will get the chance to see some of the plants,
so that they can be our future generation and helping with nature conservation.